Okay, so I'm in a particular condo now in Channelside, Tampa, and we're having a problem with the hot water. I want to show you the boiler room real quick so you understand what it's made up of and the machinery in here. So let's go over here. We have a boiler room like this in each of our buildings on this property. We have two boilers. Okay, these two machines here heat up the water. These tanks here hold the hot water. So if you were able to get a close-up of that, you'll see that the water in these tanks is about 150 degrees. Over here, we have a recirculation pump. Okay, this is technically the heart of the hot water pipes. This pump allows the water to flow and recirculate so that it doesn't stagnate and get cool or warm or cold. It allows the hot water to recirculate through the boilers again and go back to all the units so that there's minimal time when you turn on your hot water in your apartment, take a shower, wash dishes and stuff. Right now we're having an issue for about a week now where we can't figure out why the units are not getting hot water in a good amount of time. So the plumbers are here. We're going to take apart, well, we've taken apart most of it, but we're going to take it apart again because it just doesn't make sense. And that's what sometimes you face. Sometimes things don't make sense. As you can see, everything's clean, everything's working. All the thermostats indicate that everything is working fine. Now, we got to find out. Plumbers came by, took apart a bunch of stuff, some check valves and the recirculation pump. One of the things I decided to do that would help everybody is mark everything. You would think that common sense would tell you everything's already marked as to which way things flow, but they're not. So come here, let me show you. It was a new set of plumbers, so they were familiar with this room. It took them about 30 minutes to decipher this maze of pipes and valves. So I went ahead and put things like from the boiler to the tanks, into the boiler, the recirculated hot water from the building that comes back in to get even hotter. This one up here is the one that goes to the units. Again, simple things like that can help resolve the problem a lot quicker. You got a new tech, a new plumber that comes in, they're not familiar with the way this is set up, that can cut about an hour's worth of time. You'd be surprised. Yes, ideally we want to get some nice decals and permanent things, but this will go a long way for now. I do plan on putting decals and permanent markings.